What's the challenge to set up the device?
The challenge is to actually get this on and not to make the glove rip, and then the second challenge is to actually make it expand when it is pulled.
Yeah, so can you show the process of breathe in and breathe out? Can you explain how it happened?
So like the air inside in my words, the air inside has a certain amount.
Yeah.
And air could not get in. So like if this glove is pulled, the air has to come in, which air has to go into to actually fill the extra spaces up.
Yeah. So the blue is your lung, right? You
Yes.
see the blue is your lung. Yeah.